Hello, little star. Welcome to my channel, Kids App. How are you, my friends? I hope you all are well and happy. Today we learn about the calendar. So don't skip this video up to end. So let's start. I have a very beautiful calendar which is made by my mother and me. This is my calendar. My calendar have months, days, dates, years and seasons. Months. There are 12 months in a year. And they are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Here are months of the year. Days. There are 7 days in a week, and they are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Here are your days of the week. Dates means numbers. 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter numbers, 4 liter, 5 liter, 6 liter numbers, 7 liter, 8 liter, 9 liter numbers, 10 liter numbers. Seasons then. There are 5 seasons and they are spring season, summer season, monsoon season, autumn season and winter season. Next is weather. Sunny, hot, cold, rainy, foggy, snowy, cloudy, windy, stormy. Now let's set all these things. This is my calendar. These are months' name. These are days' name. These are dates' name. These are seasons' name. These are weather's name. Year 2023 means 2023. Month. The month is going on January. Season. The season is going on spring season. Today is Tuesday. Today's date is 24. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. The weather is sunny. Now I said all these things. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel.